First ranked match of the afternoon. Yes! We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video. I want to see the deck list. See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude! The Pioneer. I don't have full combo here. Sent to the graveyard. Arclight effect. Well, there's no point getting ultimateness. I think I'll get Benton. Sita, Tribute Benton. Special. Add. Benton. That's gonna add Eva. Alright, I'm just gonna go for Dragoon. Those two. Birthday effect, copyright as fusion. To Yugioh Shogun. Red Eyes Dark Dragoon, and that's it. Dangolover. A lot of prosperity. Banishing 3. Shift it over. It's gonna negate it. Negate with Dragoon, Eva effect. Banish. Add and add. Dragon Link. Yeah. Let me, shit. Let's do wins. Come on. Yep. Come on. Oh, it's DRAGONMAID. Oh shit. Thought it was Dragon Link. Parlor. What are these cards do? I'm just gonna negate it. Eva effect, banish. Let me add diviner. Is that too early? No. Just setting now, come on. Damn it. Diviner effect. Oh, oh. Son of a solemn strike. Well, I could set and set. That's it. Shit. Ooh, come on, come on, come on. Give me alpha. Give me alpha. God damn it. You got Ash? It's got Ash. DD Crow. Effect. I'm gonna get the second Radionis. DD Crow, yeah. Get the heck out of here. Didn't even really need to do that. Oh, fuck. Bastard. I should have just kept it. Oh, shit. Oh, he's got the tidying banish effect now. Damn it. Yeah. Nurse. Forbidden Droplet. I need a DRYTRON. I need any DRYTRON. Any of the searchers. Oh, it comes back. Oh god. Damn it. Fucking normal summon attack. Really? Oh my god. Normal summon attack. Oh. I need a DRYTRON. Give me a DRYTRON. Give me. In phase 2. Changeover. Fusion summoning. Shoe. No. Duro. Oh, I thought it was just monster effect. Fuck. That's game. GG. Come on. Come on. Are there the cards? Guide me! Diviners and Herald, Arclight add Ben 10, Gamma, tribute to Ben 10 special, Ben 10 effect, adding, what do we got here? Okay. We're gonna add the orange. From here, we'll go to Anaconda. Oh, Phantasme! Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, yeah, get Phantasme. Look at the draw. Go ahead. Birthday. Kokiyatsu! Yugioh Shogun! Not good. Pop your Phantasma. I'll take 24. Garuseto. Tunend. He did get the draft for Phantasma, but I popped him, decreasing his life points. Lightning Storm! Destroy Speller Trap? Not that. Destroying the Speller Trap. Why? You know what? Might as well use it. should have probably used the orange light. I was gonna use a spell. I should have used that or that. God damn it. Come on. Use the red eyes effect. Come on, just battling. Red MD destroys Verte. Now. Okay, you wanted to do that. Well, hit him with the orange light. Eva. I can banish this and. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Hit me with an ash. Oh. Come on. Hit him 4K. Tenendo. Ooh, got bad. GG. Good game. Battle. Red eyes start to roll. Finish him. Woo! Let's do wins. I was at 12.99. 13.19. We did it, guys. We hit 13. Watch me go back down after one more duel. 137? No way. Oh, I by 2. No way. Double check here. No, we were at 138. 138, 139. Okay. Nice. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.